Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account. The first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser, and on the web browser here you're going to type in paypal.com. Now when we get to PayPal, you have the option to sign up for free. If you own a business, you can click on open a business account. Creating a business account has different functionalities depending on your country, but these are the details you need to put in order to continue, such as your first name, your last name, email address, password, and your password has to meet up with these criteria. You're going to click on Agree User Agreement and Privacy Statement to proceed. But if you want to create a personal account, you can click on Sign Up for Free. You're going to put in your email address here. And if this is not getting your country right, you can click on the drop down and choose your country. So we're going to put in an email address here and click on Next. Then here you're going to put in your phone number and click on Next. And then next you'll need to create a password. Your password needs to have 8 or more characters, and you need to use 2 of the following: letters, numbers, or symbols. So now we have our password and we followed all the criteria. We're going to click on Next. So here you have nationality, first name, last name, and date of birth. You'll need to put in this information as it applies and matches on your official ID. And then when you click on Next, the following information will be personal data where you'll need to put in accurately, as you also have it on your valid documents. The processes from here are easy to follow, and in no time you will have your PayPal account created. I already have a PayPal account, so in order to avoid the duplicity of information, you can go ahead and click on Next, and the steps will be easy from here on out. And when your account is created, you will have your PayPal account looking like this, and depending on your country, it might have some more buttons to operate on. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.